Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Good.
I'm doing good.
How was the homework of last week, guys?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, Ma, tell me.
I'm sorry, I wasn't able to submit the homework. I forgot it. I was gonna tell my parents, but I forgot.
Okay.
But
Thank you for that
I
news.
finished it though, but I just forgot to submit it.
You finished it. Oh, that's nice to know. You finished it. Okay.
Yeah.
Any Ma?
I did not do one page.
That's okay. That's okay. But you did the rest. I'll know. See, when I ask you review questions, right? Usually that's how I get to know what you did. You got it, huh? So what I do the next week class, right? I give you some problems from last week, right? So then I'll know how good are you in that fractions. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one I gave you, right? I want to give you a little bit more. So I gave you till 29. 1 second, guys. Let me fetch the next part. Ananya, have you started working, ma? Because I know you've been to India and back. Hi, Keshav, right? Keshav, right? Is that your name? Okay. Can I rename? Your dad's name is appearing. Can I rename? Let's see. You're in 4th grade, right? Keshav, you're going into 4th grade, right? Keshav, you're able to hear us? Keshav, are you able to hear us? Okay. But tell me, ma, what's up, Kripa?
I have like a question I saw in one of the homeworks. I don't understand how to add whole numbers to fractions. Can you explain that to me?
Absolutely, I can, lady. Just give me 1 minute. I want to bring the next part of your fractions homework. Let me bring that.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma. Tell me.
um,
Hey, guys, you guys come on the video, guys. Otherwise, it's very difficult to understand who does what. Go ahead. Go ahead, ma. What's up? Kripa, I didn't cover that,
I
Kripa.
didn't put last week's homework. I didn't get this week's homework yet.
Oh, you didn't touch. Okay. This week's homework was a little lot, I know. But that's okay.
No,
You
you
can.
didn't put it yet. For me, I didn't get the homework.
Did you do fractions till exercise 29?
I only did last week's homework. I didn't get.
Okay, let's please see. Let's please see. Because I thought I put it. You're saying I didn't put it. Let's see. Let's see. Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what is. Did I not put it, guys? I thought I put it.
You only put the fractions basics of last year. That's the only.
This one, right? This was okay. You were able to do this in 1 week, Amma. A week there were 10 exercises, right? Around 100 problems were there.
I already did this one.
Oh, wonderful. That's what was the expectation. Don't worry.
I did in 3 days. I did it like 3
2 to
days.
3 days, that's good. So I'll get you more. Okay. There are some students who have not finished it yet. That's why I thought, okay, there are 100 problems. It's going to take time. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But I have the next set. I don't want to overwhelm any of you. At the same time, if you particularly want it, I can share with you. Make sense? Okay, I really want you to be able to work nicely with mixed number addition with fractions and stuff before you get into 4th grade along with decimals. Okay. Keshav, you're able to hear us? Thank you. You can shout out and say yes, no. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. Okay. Okay. Kripa, I understood what you needed. I will cover that. Make sense, Kripa?
Yeah.
Let me know, meaning after I go over something, you can let me know whether I covered what you wanted. Make sense? Okay. Let's see. How about this? Let's go ahead and try this one quick. You're all going to answer. Actually, I wanted to go over decimals today, but I feel like it's worth reviewing mixed number and fraction addition subtraction nicely. Okay, so let's go over this. I don't know. Let's see what each of you do. Quickly, I want you to do this problem. Okay, this is only skill. Let's go ahead and add these fractions. Okay, Keshav, do you know how to send it to me, Keshav? No, not really. You can say yes, no. You know how to chat with me, Keshav? Do you know how to chat with me? See, Keshav, I'm going to chat with you. You can reply. Is your dad around or mom around?
Dad.
Dad, you know how to chat with me? I sent you a message. You can feel very comfortable. This class is a nice class. Everybody will help. Aru, correct. Aru.
Okay, let's see.
Adya, correct.
Priya, am I correct?
Aradhya, correct. Shreyank, Avyukt, correct. Yeah, I'm just going over from the scratch a little bit. Let's see. Aradhya, did you send ma? Srimitran, where is your answer? Shankari? Yes, ma. You guys are doing
I
good.
already sent it my answer.
Yes, Srimitran. Yes, I saw just now. Thank you. I reacted for you. Yes, Ananya. Tell me.
My chat is disabled.
Is disabled. Okay, no problem. Ananya. Okay. Now, ma, can you chat with me? I will send a message. You can reply. Did you get it, Ananya? Okay, did you start working on the homework? You were in India all the way, right? Did you
Yeah,
start?
I started.
And you're preparing for science as well?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm going there.
Oh, really? I'm looking forward to see you in North Carolina.
Okay.
Tell your mom, okay? Okay. Okay. Yes. Hey, Vihan, please change your name. Your dad's name is there, and then I'll call you Randir. Shreyang, did you send?
My dad won't let me change it because it's his office computer.
You even told my name. Remember?
Yeah, Shreyang. Keshav, good job. Do you know how to do this, Keshav? This problem on the board?
Yes.
1 by 2. Do you have a pen and paper with you? Aru, did you send your answer?
Yeah.
Is that right, Aru? How did you do this, Aru?
I changed it.
The one that
I'm so up.
taught me. The way
Huh?
that Akshara taught me. I did it.
Yeah,
Akshara
I taught you and you're
Oh wait,
answering.
never mind.
Yeah, I taught you.
wait.
You're answering it incorrectly, and that
Oh,
concerns
wait.
me so much.
Oh wait, I just realized it.
Vishwa, go ahead.
Oh.
Okay, Vishwa got it. Okay, nice. Okay, let me go ahead. Keshav, are you able to do? You have the answer, you can shout out. What is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4? Shout out. Keshav, do you think you can answer? You don't know. See, then if you don't know, right, the best answer is IDK. I don't know. That is also fine. I just want to know whether you know. Aru, how did you fix it now? Good. Keshav, do you do these at school? Yes, no? You have to talk, Ma Keshav. Would you be able to tell me? Okay, you can watch as well. Okay. Now, I have to bring the denominator to 4. So times 2 in the denominator, times 2 in the numerator. So that way I'm being fair to this fraction by multiplying by 2 in both numerator and denominator. It becomes 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead a little bit. Let me see. If I have 70 by 4, is this a proper or an improper fraction? Is this a proper or an improper fraction?
Improper.
Why is it
Improper.
improper fraction?
Because
The numerator is bigger than the denominator.
Very nice. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. So it is an improper fraction. It doesn't obey rules. You see, it is a very improper fraction, disobedient fraction. Okay. Now I have to convert it to a mixed number. Meaning I have to convert it to a mixed number. What are mixed numbers? Mixed number is a combination of whole numbers and fractions. Mixed number means I will express it as whole number plus a fraction. What fraction? That fraction will be a proper fraction. Okay. How do I express it? I have to find how many 4s are there in 70. How do you quickly do that? By using quick division. Remember, you don't need to sit and divide. But then how many 4s are in 7? 1. And then what is the remainder? 3 is the remainder. That goes into the next
I sent the
digit.
answer in the
That
chat.
becomes 30. How many 4s are in 30? 7. 28. And the remainder is 2. So that remainder I write it up and then write the denominator. So 17 2 by 4. Or I can write it out as 17 1 by 2 simplified. Okay, now I'm going to give you more. Let me see. Many of this you'll know. Okay, so let's see this one. 32 by 3. Write 32 by 3 as a mixed number. 32 by 3 is a mixed number. Okay, this is question number 1. Question number 2, 1 5 by 8. Write this as an improper fraction. These are based on what we have already learned. Let's see where we are. Keshav, you are going to watch Keshav? Are you going to watch? You can answer after a few weeks. Does that do good to you? Does that work? Okay. I'm absolutely fine with whatever you want, but I want to know what you want. You have to talk to tell me that. Okay. Nice, Rayank. Wow. Okay, all these seem to be easy, guys. Okay, let's see. We'll move on, guys. Ananya, I'm not getting answers from you, looks like.
I don't get this.
Okay. Kripa, I'm waiting for your answers, Kripa.
I'm
Sri,
typing them.
Srimitran, I'm waiting for your answers too. Aradhya, good job, ma. Aradhya, did you get to do the homework, Aradhya? I didn't see your homework.
I submitted my homework.
Okay, honestly, I did not see. I will check. Okay, guys. And one more thing. Next week we have a class, right? Okay. Let's see. Next week we have a class. I would like to have. Can we extend the class today, guys, to 1.5 hours?
Yes.
I'm not sure.
You're not.
So, ma'am, I may not do it today. I may just skip after an hour.
An
Or
hour.
maybe 20 minutes.
Hmm?
I may skip after an hour. I can't really do like the extended part.
Oh, okay. I see. I see.
Priya
Okay.
auntie.
But on August 2, I cannot take the class, guys. I am not in town at all. So I was thinking, okay, next week we'll do. Don't worry about it. Next week we'll do. I want all of you to attend. Yeah.
Priya, I sent out both of my answers.
Yes, ma. Srimitran 1, 2. Good. Vishwa. Vishwa, is that the answer for number 1? What is that, Vishwa? How did you do that? Shankari, did you answer, ma?
Yeah.
Kripa, Vihan. Vihan? That, what is that, Vihan? 13?
13 by 8. I mistake. The 9 came up for some reason.
Ah, okay.
I typed best.
I got it. Okay. So how do you do this? You want to convert it to a mixed number. So find the number of holes. How many threes are there in 32?
Can I
Check.
explain?
You want to explain? Go ahead, Vihan.
So first, what I would do is
Hmm.
since 30 is the closest tree, I would rather do 3 times 10 is equal to 30. So then 33 is the next number, which is 11. So I would do 10, and then since you're 2 less than 3, it would equal to 2 by 3.
Make sense, guys? So what do? You find out how many threes are there in 30. How do you find out? You can do quick division. I don't want you to do long division here. How many threes in 3? 1. How many? Is there a remainder? No. Then
So
there
every
is 2. Yeah. How many threes in 2?
I wrote the question wrong.
You wrote the question wrong. Okay. How many threes in 2? 0. So, but you have a remainder of 2. So you write down the 10 here and then the remainder 2 and then the denominator. This is how you convert to the mixed number. Now, how to convert the mixed number into mixed number means what? There is one whole, and then there is another pizza that has 8 parts. This pizza has 8 parts, 8 equal parts, but
what
only 5 are covered. Correct? How do you convert? How do you convert it to a improper fraction? So we need to find out the number of parts, right? So there are
Miss
8
Priya,
parts.
can I explain?
Yeah, you can explain. Go ahead.
I would like to explain?
So I did 8 into 1, which
Ankit,
is
welcome
8,
to you.
and I did 8 into 1, which is 8, and then I did 8 plus 5.
Good job. 8 plus 5 parts. So 8 times 1 is 8, which is this whole. This has
And
8 parts.
13 by 8.
And then 5 more parts. So 13 parts are there. And one whole is split into how many parts? It is 13 by
8
8.
parts.
In improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay. Now, if I want you to draw 15 by 6, can you all show me how to draw 15 by 6 as pizzas? I want you all to draw 15 by 6 as pizzas.
On what?
Okay, I'll ask each of you. You can draw on the board. Why don't you draw on the board and have fun? Can we try that?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the number?
I'll ask each of you to draw on the board, please. Avyukt, go ahead and draw this on the board. 15 by 6. 2, 1 by 3. Aru, can you draw on the board?
Priyanti for 2 1 by 3. Oh wait, never mind. I know.
5 by 2. Shankari, can you do on the board?
Miss Priya,
Vishwa, 6 by 16 by 3. Can you do on the board? Aradhya. Shankari, can you do on the board?
Miss Priya, why did you write 16 by 3 for Aradhya?
Shankari already got one on the top.
Okay. Yeah. Vishwa, Vihan, I can share with you. Vishwa, do this. Vihan, can I give you? Vihan, you can do that. Let's see. Then I'll give you turns for whoever is not done. Srimitran is not done as well. Srimitran. Do this, Srimitran. This is good. Aru, you got it. Good job. I'm waiting for 15 by 6. First, determine how many whole pizzas you're going to draw. First, you need to know how many whole pizzas you're going to draw. Shankari, you have to color. You have to color properly. So what do you see? 5 by 2. Shankari did it already. So 5 by 2. How many 2's are there in 5? 2 holes, right? How many 2's are there in 5? 2 2's are 4. You reach 4, but then you have one remainder, right? So 2 whole pizza and a half a pizza you need to draw. 2 whole pizza you're going to color, and then half a pizza you'll color. So this is 2.5, which is nothing but 5 by 2. Good job, Shankari. Mm-hmm. Keshav, if you would like to draw, you have to let me know, Keshav. If you want to draw on the board, you have to let me know. Okay, Auntie, I would like to do it on the board. If you say so, I'll let you do it on the board. Or if you just want to watch, I'm absolutely fine.
Miss Priya, can I do one?
Yes, Makripa. Give me 1 minute, guys.
Miss Priya, I finished.
Aradhya. Very well done, Aradhya.
Miss Priya, I finished.
Very well done. 1 minute, ma. Vishwa, I don't get what you have done at all. 3 pieces you have colored. How can I do that? How can I? Sri Mitran, I'm not able to. Yeah. Sri Mitran, you got it. Sorry. Sri Mitran, good job on that. Vishwa, I was not okay with the diagram you made. 6 twos are 12, yeah. Avyukt, very good job. So you guys know how to represent nicely, right, guys? 8 divided by 3. How many threes are there in 8? Vihan, go ahead and finish, ma. Okay, now I can give the others, right? Okay, 17 by 9. Who's going to do? Go ahead, Adya. Kripa, I really want you to try this one. 23 by 11. Okay. Priyank, can you do one for me? 15 by 7. Vihan, did you finish? Others can
Do I have to do it on the board? I'd rather do it on the
paper and show, that's fine. I'm fine. You can do it in the paper and show. Adya, I really like the drawing. You can have fun on the board as well. That's why I gave it to you. Whom I did not, Shankari, I gave it. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. Ananya, do you want to try? Okay. Ananya is going to try this one. How about 11 by 7? Can you draw a model for it, ma? Quickly. I want to go to decimals today. I want to touch decimals at least. Keshav, have you done this in school or learning now, Keshav? Which one are you doing? You tell me. Keshav, are you learning now or have you done it already?
I'm done.
Miss Priya, how do I split the shape into 11 pieces?
Oh, okay, it's hard on you. Okay, let me do one thing. Kripa, let me do one thing. As long as you understand, I am fine, you know. How about this? Let me do it as, don't worry, let me do it as 15 by 2 maybe. Or you can have it as 11 by 2. You think you can do?
Yeah.
Done?
Almost.
Oh, very well done, Adya.
It's not letting me do it for some reason. No, it's letting me, but like I just can't do it. Okay. try to put perfect circles.
That's nice, Kripa.
Oh my god. Yeah, I hate this. I hate smart pens.
You hate that?
Like the tool I'm using. It's a
Adya,
very bad.
yeah, Adya, what happened to the next one, ma? 70. How many?
Take on it.
Adya, just tell me how many will you shade?
8 out of 9.
Good job. You'll shade 8 out of 9 because 9 pieces are already in here and you'll shade 8 out of 9 pieces on this. So each hole is split into 9 whole pieces, 9 pieces, and then you'll shade 9 on the first one. 9 plus 8 is 17, right? So 8 you'll shade on the second one. Good job. Okay, Shreyang, you don't have space, huh? Vishwa, let me show you the way I wanted you to draw. Again, you're doing the same thing I'm saying. Okay.
Priya,
Vishwa,
I did it on paper and I sent the answer. I don't feel comfortable doing it on the board.
absolutely, Shreyang. I'm with you. I want to see what you drew on the paper though. Okay, Vishwa, this is what I wanted you to do. 10 by 3. How many threes are in 9? 3 whole pizzas you'll draw. Okay, each will be split into 3 parts. So we accounted for 9 pieces, right? And the 10th piece should be on the last pizza. Again, it's split into 3, but then 1 is shaded. So we shaded 9 pieces, and then the 10th piece is in the 4th pizza. Got it? So this is 3 1 by 3. Make sense? Okay, Kripa, good job, ma. Adya, good job. Ananya, are you done? How many pieces will you shade on the second?
It's just that.
Ananya, how many pieces will you shade on the second one?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
can I erase my drawings?
Yes, you can.
4.
Good job, Ananya. That's nice. Correct. Adya, correct, ma. So I'm going to take yours off. Vihan, you did the right job. You already did the right job when you drew the last time. Good job. Shreyank, you're going to show me? No. Please show what you drew. I want to see what you drew.
I really don't feel comfortable on doing it on the board.
You
Just
don't
show
have to
it on
do
the
it board.
camera, dude.
Would you mind showing it on the camera? I just want to see. It's just one model, right? Okay. No problem. I'm going to move on. Okay. I think you got it. That's fine. Okay, guys. How about this? Okay. You know what? Now, I'll have fractions and mixed numbers. Okay. Now, I have 4.5 apples with me. Okay. I have to take away half. This 4.5 is what? I have 4 and 1/2. Correct? I want to remove the half. Remove the half. Answer is 4. Now, if I say 4.5 minus 2 1 by 4, what do I do, guys? That's so hard, right?
You have to answer.
First, let me subtract 4 minus 2. Wholes I'll subtract first. 2.
Yeah.
Then,
It's
yeah,
yours.
2 1 by 4.
exactly. So from half, if you subtract, this is a half, right? You're going to subtract 1/4 of it. If you're going to take that away, what you have is 1 by 4. So answer is 2 1 by 4. Now let's try this one. If I give you 4 1 by 4 minus 2.5, that is so hard. 4 1 by 4 minus 2 1 by 2. What do I do here?
It's 1 3 by 4, I think.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, yes, ma. That's right, but I want you all to think. Srimitran, what would you do? Vihan, your video is off. 4 1 by 4 minus 2 1 by 2. One thing, whoever finds this easy, you can follow this. I'm going to change to
I
improper
need
practice.
this restroom urgently.
It's 2 1 by 4.
I'm going to go ahead and change the C. This is method number 1. I'm going to tell you what's method number 1. 4 times 4, 16, right? 16 parts are there, plus 1, 17 parts, 17 by 4. Subtract. What is this? 2 times 2, 4 parts are there, 5 parts, plus 1. You have to add this, right? 5. So 5 by 2. I can't subtract or add fractions with different denominators. So what do? I have to bring everything to the same denominator. So I have told you that your numerator and denominator are like brothers and sisters. What you do to the brother, you have to do to the sister, right? Now 17 by 4 minus 10 by 4 will be, answer is 7 by 4. This is method number 1. Okay. If you don't want to do this, let's try another way. Now, first let me subtract the fractions and see. Can I take away half from 1 by 4? Can I take away half from 1 by 4? I can't. You see what I mean? I can't take away half from 1 by 4 because 1 by 4 is much smaller fraction. Right? So you know what I do? From this I'll pull out a hole. From this I'll pull out a hole. So that becomes 3 holes. And then there were 4 parts in the hole, right? This becomes 5 by 4. Ah, I made it. 3 5 by 4. You see 4 parts from the one hole. I've added it to the numerator. So it became 3 5 by 4 minus 2 2 by 4. I changed this 1 by 2 to 2 by 4 to have the same denominator. Now I can subtract the whole. I can subtract the fraction 1 3 by 4, which is also equal to 7 by 4. Now, I have questions for you. Who did not understand this? Please raise your hand.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, Yasma.
I didn't understand method number 2.
Method number 2, you didn't understand. I'll help you with it. Who else did not understand? Ananya, you did not understand. Which method you did not understand, or both you did not understand?
I didn't understand method number 2.
2. Okay.
Priya auntie.
Adya, what is that, Adya?
Can we just stick to method number 1?
I'm going to let you talk one by one. Adya, what was that?
I don't understand method number 2.
Okay. What else? Shreyank, what did you say?
Can we just stick to method number 1?
You can definitely stick to method number 1. Absolutely. Keshav, you understood method 1 or method 2? Okay, you don't have something to say. Okay. Aradhya, which one did you understand?
Method number 1.
Oh, method number 1 is what you all understood. Okay, let me see. Let me show you again. Okay. Method number 2, I'm going to show you. Okay. 4 1 by 2. What did we have? 4 1 by 4 minus 2 1 by 2. You know what I'm saying? What is 4 1 by 2? I'm going to draw and show you. Immediately you all will understand. This is 4 1 by 4. Are you all with me here? Is this 4 1 by 4, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. See, when I want to subtract whole number with whole number and fraction with fraction, this 1 by 4 fraction is smaller than 1 by 2. So I cannot subtract them. You see what I mean? So what I do is, instead of writing 4 1 by 4, I will write this out as 3. And then how many parts are in here? How many parts are in here? 4 parts are in here, right? So this one whole I'll borrow. From the one whole I'll borrow 4 parts and write it out as 3 5 by 4. Make sense?
Yeah.
Then this 1 by 2, what is the equivalent fraction which ends with a 4? 1 by 2, what is the equivalent fraction that ends with a 4? 2 by 4, right?
By 4.
Yeah, now I can subtract the whole number. I can subtract the fraction. Did you all get it?
Yes.
I'll do one more. I'll do one more so that you guys clearly understand. Okay?
I don't get it.
No problem. You don't have to, but whoever understands, you can really take it because method number 2 only will survive nicely. Survive nicely in the sense, if you understand 2, you'll be able to conceptually understand things when we move up the ladder. After 1 or 2 years, it will be so easy to do method number 2. 2 1 by 8 minus 1 3 by 4. This is so hard. 3 by 4 is almost 3 by 4. 1 by 8 is so small. So what do I do here? I'll do one thing. 2 1 by 8, right? I have 2 holes. Each hole is split into how many parts here?
8.
8 parts. Right? So 2 holes I have. Okay. And then again I have 8 separated and that 1 is colored. Okay. This is 2 1 by 8. But you know, from this, what should I remove? Please make my denominator 8. What happens here? 1, 1, 1, 3 by 4. What is it?
1 6 by 8.
1 6 by 8. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2. 1 6 by 8. Now I have to remove 1 6 by 8 from here. How do I remove it? It's so hard, right? So you know what I do? 1 6 by 8 I have to remove. But you know what I'll do? Instead of writing 2 1 by 4, I'll just write this one whole. Okay. This parts, I'll take one whole from here and then make it into parts. How many parts will that be? How many parts will that be?
9 by 8.
9 by 8. So now it becomes so easy. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 wholes, and then 9 minus 6 by 8 is answer is 3 by 8. You got it, guys? Okay. Now, the first method, right? You all understood that method. Let's do that method. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17 by 8 minus
Wow.
7 by 4 or 14 by 8. 17 by 8 minus 14 by 8 is 3 by 8. I'm okay with whatever method you all understand. But you have to understand, that's all. You got it?
Okay.
Okay, how about this? You're going to do this quickly. 3 1 by 4 plus 14 by 2. Come on, guys. I really want answer. See, you can play with the wholes and fractions. You can play with them however you want.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
can I use method number 1?
Yes, please. Method number 1 plays well in the long run. Method number 1 will win. Only thing you need to understand borrowing from that big whole number into parts. You have to split that whole into parts. Method number 1 will win in the long run.
Priya, can you check my answer?
Oh my goodness. You guys are so fast. Shankari correct. Srimitran check. Achyut correct. Adya correct. Aru, I'm waiting. Srimitran correct. Kripa correct. Kripa correct. Kripa, nice work, Kripa. Kripa, which method did you follow? Method 1 or method 2?
Method number 1.
Method number 1 means splitting, huh? Splitting or converting to improper fraction?
I converted to improper fraction.
Okay, that's fine. Shreyank correct. Aradhya correct. Vishwa, that's incorrect, Vishwa.
Correct.
Vishwa, did you do your homework? Vishwa, did you do your homework? Vishwa, did you do your homework?
Miss Priya, will we still learn decimals today?
Yeah, we are going to learn. I really want you to know decimals today.
I do decimals in Kumon.
Wow. Can I go ahead? Yeah, Vishwa, that's not correct, Vishwa. Ananya, where is the answer?
I'm still doing it.
You're still doing it. Okay. Guys, I need to talk to some of the parents. Vihan, did you get it? Vihan, where are we? Srimitran, what did you do? Srimitran?
Method number 1.
Okay, did you finish, Srimitran?
Yeah.
So basically, what did you guys do? You all converted improper fractions, huh?
Yeah.
You all convert to improper fractions?
Yeah. Mixed number.
Okay. Okay. Mix. You all are. Okay.
Yeah.
Yama.
So, I I also saw this, like 14 divided by 2 is 7. They just do 7 plus 3.
See, that is a good one. 7, you just add the
That's
whole.
what I did too.
See, this is
That
this is
is what I did.
yeah, this is the method number 2, Method number 2 only works, wins in the long run. However, the other way is convert to improper fraction. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 by 4 plus 7. How did you bring the common denominator, guys? 13 by 4 plus 7. What did you do? 14 by 2, right?
Yes.
So multiply by 2, multiply by 2, 13 by 4 plus 28 by 4. That gets you 41 by 4. This one will be hard in the long run. This one will be so quick.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma.
could you convert 14 by 2 into mixed fraction and then compare those two?
What is the mixed number if you convert 14 by 2 to mixed number?
Oh, never mind. That's gonna be a whole. That's gonna
Yeah,
be
exactly. So now, do you all know the fact family? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Then what? 8
Miss
minus 3
minus
equal to
3 equal
5.
to 8.
8
5
minus
minus
5
5
equal
equals
to
3.
3. Suppose if I ask you for this number, what do you do? Suppose if I ask you 5 plus what is 8, what do you do? The big, you subtract one of the small number from the big number to get the other number, correct? Suppose if I ask you this, you subtract 3 from 8 to get the other number, correct guys? Suppose if I ask you this, how do you find out? You have the big number here, right? You subtract the small number from the big number. Suppose if I give you this, how do you find? You subtract this
You do
small number.
8 minus 3 and
Yeah.
you get 8.
So there is always two small number and a big number. In fact families,
Miss
there is
Priya,
all, yeah, Ma Mitran.
can I go to the bathroom?
Go and come back. There's always two small numbers and a big number. Okay. If ever you want to get one of the small number, you subtract the other small number from the big number. If you want to get this small number, if you want to get this small number, you subtract the other small number from the big number. However, when you're subtracting, if you want the big number, if you don't know the big number, you add the two small numbers. Suppose if you know the big number and you don't know what number was subtracted to get the other small number, what do? You subtract the small number from the other big number to get this. Any questions in the fact family? Okay. You know what? I'm going to make it complicated for you guys. Let me see. Okay. So answer this question. How many sixths are there? How many sixths are there in two holes? How many sixths are there in two holes? How many sixths are there in two holes?
12 6.
But wait, so basically each hole has 6. What is each hole?
Exactly. Each hole has 6. How many 6 it has? Each hole has 6 sixths.
So then each hole will have 6.
Yeah. Each hole, see there are 2 holes. But you know how many 6. So each pizza you're going to split it into 6 pieces. Right?
Am I correct?
So what will be the answer? You can shout out. We're all discussing.
12 6.
12 6. Good job. So let me ask you. I have 4.5 with me. 4.5 with me. How many 1/4ths are there? How many 1/4ths are there? How many 1/4ths are there? Think about it. In 4 holes, how many 1/4ths are there? And in 1/2, how many 1/4ths are there? Add them together. In 4 holes, how many 1/4ths are there?
18.
18.
How did you get that? That's right, but how did you get that?
Miss
4,
Priya,
I got 4 times 4 16.
Miss
Uh-huh.
Priya,
Okay, let's draw Let's draw and find out, okay? I'm going to draw and find out, okay? 1/4 means I'm going to split everything as 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. 4 pizzas I have. Clearly, this says 4 pizzas I have. And I'm going to split them as 1/4 means each whole will have 4 pieces. Okay. And then I also have a half a pizza. Okay. That as well, I want to split it into 1/4, which will have 2 parts. Now, how many 1/4 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Each whole will have 4, 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, and then 17, 18 1/4 are there. Keshav, are you following Keshav?
18 the yeah.
Okay. Keshav, how about this? Let's see this one. Can you sum 3 1/4 plus 3 2/5 plus 1/4? That's a lot of fraction addition. Add these two first, then it becomes easy. Please understand how to manipulate numbers. Add these two first, and then you can go ahead and add the 2/5, 3 2/5. Right, guys?
Is this for us?
Yeah, why not? Why? This is for you. Why? Try, guys. Do you want to do that, guys? Did you get it?
Yeah, am I correct?
I have, guys, I have 2 questions on the board. You can do it slowly. You can really do it slowly. No hurry at all, okay? I'll wait. Please do slowly. Think well and let me know if you did not understand. I'm here to help.
I don't understand.
Which one you did not understand?
1.
Number 1, you're just adding a lot of fractions. Can you add the first and the last fraction first
The
and
first
then?
class makes sense, but will the mixed number 33 change?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
You wait, ma. When I'm explaining things, you have to wait, Kripa. Yes, ma. What is that? So can you add? See, 1/4, 1/4. I feel like it's very easy to add this with this. Okay, you're going to add 2 quarters and a 3. So what is the answer? When you add 2 quarters, you remember you have quarters, right? 4 quarters make up one whole. 2 quarters make up a half a dollar, right? So now when you add 3 1 by 4 and just 1 by 4, what happens? Who can explain? Shreyank, can you say, or Srimitran, can you say? Shreyank, you're not on the video. You went, but don't switch off your video. Srimitran, can you explain when you add 3 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, what happens? Srimitran, you're muted and you're talking.
1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is half, so 3 plus half is 3.5.
Good job. This is 3.5. And then you're adding 3 2 by 5. How do you do it? It's so easy for addition. Add the mixed numbers. 3 plus 3 is 6. Add the whole numbers first. 3 plus 3 is 6. But it's very difficult to add this 1 by 2 and 2 by 5. Let me add it separately. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 is what? You're going to bring it to the common denominator. You don't have a common denominator here.
Because
So
2 times 5 is 10, 5 times 2 is 10.
So let's do that. This will be times 5 for this fraction. This will be times 2 for this fraction.
Yeah.
What happens here? 5 by 10 plus 4 by 10. That becomes a 9 by 10. See that you write it here. That's all. 6 9 by 10. Vishwa, are you following Vishwa? Aru, did you follow that? How many? Okay. Now let me go ahead and give you one more problem in that. Avyuk, did you follow that Avyuk?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? How about this? 4 1 by 2 plus 5 1 by 4 plus 1 1 by 2. It's very easy to add these two. 4 wholes, 5 wholes, half plus half is 1 whole. What is that?
6 wholes.
6 wholes. So 5 1 by 4 plus 6 wholes. 6 wholes means you don't have a fraction on the second one. So you just add the whole numbers. 6 plus 5 will be 11 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Good job. Now I'm going to show you one another. The second problem I'm going to do. How many quarters? How many quarters will make up 5? So as I said, this is a fact family. You draw a box here. Plus 3 1 by 4 equal to a 5. How will you find the box? What should you do to find the box? Who can say? To find out the box, I add two small numbers to get a big number. How do I find the box? What up?
3 1 by 4.
5 minus 3 1 by 4, correct? How do I do that? I don't have a fraction here. I need to have a fraction here. I told you, right? I need to have a fraction. Or we'll go with the improper fraction method. 5 minus 4 times 3 is 12, 13 by 4. This is 5 by 1, guys. This is 5 by 1. 5 has a denominator of 1. If there is no denominator, it's 5 by 1. So how will you convert to the same denominator now? Times what?
4.
4.
4. Good job. That is so easy. 20 by 4 minus 13 by 4 is what?
7 by 4.
7 by 4. So how many quarters are there?
7 by 4.
7 by
How many quarters? In 7 by 4?
7.
7 quarters. Good job, guys. Did you all get it? How about this? How
By
many?
what?
Okay,
No.
you're going to answer this. How many quarters are there in 1 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4? You're going to find out. How first you add everything together. First you add everything together and
Give
then
me a
find
second.
and
But
then
they would
find out how many quarters are there.
this plus 1 by 2.
Plus 1 by 2 is half.
Yeah. 1 by 2. equals what's 3 by 4?
Now that equal this plus.
Yeah, box plus this equals to 3 by 4, right?
Take your time. See, I know we are drilling on fractions. I understand that very well. But you know, this is your foundation. If you become strong in this, you'll be very strong later. At the end of it, I want at least you all to be happy that we did a lot of fractions after 5 years from now. Okay, I know that sometimes fractions can get boring, but it's so important to understand the different ways of fractions can work. If that gets to your brain after 5 years from now, you'll think, oh, nice. We did a lot at that time with Priya aunty, you'll say. Otherwise, it'll be very hard. Meaning it'll be very hard to catch up later. Now is the time. You have a lot of time. So it's okay to grill on fractions. I will touch decimals definitely this week or next week, so that you are just a little prepared for your school. How many quarters are there in 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4? First add everything together and then find out the number of quarters. Or you know what, if you leave it to me to find, right? You know how I'll do? How many quarters are in here? 3. There are 2 quarters in this. How many quarters are in 1? 4 quarters. Like that I will do. It just depends on the way your brain thinks.
Miss
How many
Priya,
quarters are there? Yes, Kripa. Good job.
I don't understand.
But you got the answer right.
That's from last time.
Oh, that one last time. Okay. Srimitran, how do you count? Can you tell us? Srimitran, how do you get it?
Miss Priya, that's the one in the last question.
Ah, okay. So you're still doing Aru. That's not right. Avyukt, can you shout out how you did? Amma, Shankar.
So what I did
The
was
question you saw was actually from a different question.
Okay, I see. Vihan, that's not right. Yeah, Shankari, you say the answer is the number of quarters, not as a fraction, Shankari. Your answer was right, but you say it as a number of quarters, not as a fraction. Did you get it, Shankari?
Yes.
Okay, good. Ananya, I did not ask you for the sum. I did not ask you to sum it and tell me, meaning I asked you how many quarters are there. Who can tell me how many quarters are in 3 by 4? How many quarters? 3 quarters. Good job. How many quarters are there in one whole? $1, how many quarters are there?
4.
Think about it as $1. $1 are 4 quarters, and 4 quarters are there in $1. And then in half, how many quarters are there? In half a dollar, how many quarters are there?
2,
2. So how many total quarters are there?
9.
9. Good job, guys. Now let me ask you this question. 1 by 2 plus 1 by... Yes, Ananya, what is your question?
The answer that you're talking about is from the last question.
Oh, that's okay. I realized it after you told me. Okay, now, how can you sum this? Vihan, can you explain 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2?
The first, since all of them are 1 by 2, all the things are just halves. So but basically, the middle and the last one are is one whole basically. So then the last one has to be 1 by 2, or 2 1 by 2.
Good job. So, first let's add the halves. Half plus half is a 1, right? One whole. One whole means 1 by 1, right? This one is 1.5. How will you add 1/2 and a 1? Add the wholes. 2 wholes and a half. You got it? Okay, again, let me ask you. How many halves are there in, or how many fifths? How many fifths are there? How many fifths are there in 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5. How many fifths are there? Find out how many fifths are there in this, in this, in this. How many fifths are there? Not a hard one, guys. How many fifths are there?
22 fifths.
Let's see what the others get. How many fifths are there?
Miss Priya, I don't understand.
Kripa, I heard you answering, right?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
I am checking. How many fifths are there? That's the question. Your answer is right, but the question was different, Srimitran. I asked you how many fifths are there in the answer. How many fifths are there, Srimitran? That's 4 whole pizzas are there, but how many fifths are there? Each whole is split into five parts, right? So each is a 1/5.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
are we gonna learn a little bit of decimals after this question?
I would love to. I would love to. Let me see. But yeah, I don't know whether how many of you want to go as well.
I want
Shreyank, the answer is correct, Shreyank, but how many fifths are there? That's the question, right?
I know, I just solved it.
Ah, okay. So you sum up everything. How do you sum up everything here?
my answer.
How do you sum up everything? There's a 0. So 0 and 3 is a 3. 4 by 5 plus 7 by 5 is 7 fifths. So how many fifths are there? In this 3 holes, there are how many fifths? In each hole, there is 5 fifths, right? 5, 10, 15 fifths are there. And then in this one, 7 fifths are there. 7 fifths are there. So how many total 1/5 is there? 22. Okay. Okay. Let's do one thing. Shankari, can we start with decimals next week?
Yeah, sure.
You are waiting for it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the moment you come in next week, shall I do that for you? Yeah, this week again, grind on fractions nicely. How about this? Let me ask you one last question on fractions itself. Decimals, I'll do it next week. Okay. So, how about this, guys? I'm going to wait for your answer for this one. Two questions, it's like a test for you. Two questions are there. Whoever gets the two answers can leave.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Did you answer both, ma?
Yes.
Guys, please put the question number and answer, guys. How will I know if you don't put the question number, guys? To put the question number and answer, there is no way I can understand.
Miss Priya,
Yeah,
I don't understand what question 1 means.
you have to fill in the box.
Oh, okay. Miss Priya's answer is correct. I can see.
Avyukt, you can log off. Good job. Good work.
Bye.
Bye. Good job, Shankari. Shankari, second one is correct, huh? Second one is
Understanding.
correct. Wait, 15, 16, 18. Shankari, can you check question number 2?
Miss Priya, I don't understand.
Shreyank, can you check question number 2? Aradhya, can you check question number 2? First question is right.
Miss
Vishwa,
Priya.
can you, Vishwa, how come Vishwa? Question number, go ahead.
Miss Priya, I don't get number 2.
Number 1 is incorrect, ma.
Miss Priya, I don't get question number 1.
Question number 1. So what operation should you do?
Then
Yeah, Vihan. What operation should you do there?
18 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to the answer.
Correct. What is 18 by 4 minus 1 by 2?
So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that would
18 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So bring it to the common denominator, right?
It's 2.
It's 2.
Oh, 10. 10.
10 is not the common denominator.
4.
4. So you have to bring 2 to 4. What do you do?
Times 2.
Times 2 times 2. Can we rewrite the fraction? 18 by 4 minus 2 by 4 is what?
18 by 4. 16 by 4.
16 by 4. What is
Am I correct? Is my answer correct?
What
So
is
for term, it's 16 by 4.
What is 16 by 4?
1 by 4. No, what? No, wait. 16 by 4. What? 4 by 1.
4 by 1, which is 4 holes, right?
Yeah. 4 whole. Yeah.
That's the answer. Now, what is this? 3 by 4 is, let's see this one.
I think
Guys, please listen. Let me finish. 3 by 5 is means equal to, let me write it as mathematics. 3 by 5 is means equal to 4 by 5 more than what? Put it as a box. What operation do you do here?
subtraction.
Subtraction. 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5. How do you do? You can convert it to improper fraction. 18 by 5 minus 4 by 5 is what?
10 by.
Yes, 14 by 5. The thing is, 3 by 5, write that down, is means equal to 4 by 5 more than what? How do you write that? 4 by 5 more means plus something. That something is what you need to find.
14 by 5.
That's right.
I accidentally added it.
That's okay. But see, if you do this, use fact family.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
I have sent you the answer here, right, Sri Mitran? Did you see the answer on the board?
Oh.
Yeah, Shreyank also added it. Okay. Did you all get it, guys?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to stop here. Okay. This week, again, it's going to be 100 problems on fractions. Make sense? But please split every day 10, 10, sit and do, understand and do. Then you will be amazing at fractions. Any questions?
No.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, guys. I'm going to stop here. Yeah, I'm going to stop here. We'll see you all next week, but next week will be 1.5 hours class. Okay. Please tell your parents as well. Without fail, tell your parents. Okay. Bye, guys. See you all next week. That was nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye, Priya. Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
Keshav, can I talk to you? Bye, guys. See you next week. Keshav,